Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Dr. Murti Ayu Wijayanti MPD as the lecturer of seminar on ELT course. My name is Syafifa Mulyani. Today, I would like to present my research proposal entitled Ideational Meaning of Instructions in an English Textbook, a discourse analysis of Bahasa Inggris Kelas 12 textbook by Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture. The first chapter of this study starts with research background. Teaching learning materials are the tools teachers use to help students learn and understand concepts. Textbooks are probably the most common teaching learning materials used in language teaching. Instructional design is known as a systematic organization of interpreting teaching and learning theories in planning teaching materials and activities. Curriculum and instruction are inherently provided in textbooks, allowing students to use textbooks as a more effective medium of learning English. Transitivity system in systemic functional linguistics introduced by Halliday can be used to determine the meaning of the instruction. The research questions of this study are: what types of ideational meanings are commonly used in the English textbook, and how are ideational meanings of the instructions in the English textbook support learning objectives? The research objectives of this study are to reveal which types of ideational meanings are commonly used in the English textbook and to describe how our ideational meaning of the instructions in the English textbook support learning objectives. The research significance of this study are provide information on the ideational meaning analysis in the instructions of English textbook exercises, to get additional information from the study's findings to improve the teaching, and to help English teacher provide direct instruction in the classroom. The second chapter of this study will be filled with some theories that will be used to support this study, including the definition of textbook, the concept of instruction which was brought by Regulus and Charles Chalman, the systemic functional linguistics theory brought by Halliday, the critical discourse analysis, and the ideational meaning concepts itself. The third chapter of this study explains how the study will be conducted. Starts with the research design. This study employs a qualitative descriptive design to answer the research questions and draw conclusions. The data of this research will be taken from the 12th grade English students' book by the Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture. The instruction clauses in the exercises of the book will be the participants of the research. To collect the data, I will make a list of the sentences from the instruction part in each chapter's exercises, then segment the sentences of the instruction part into a single clause, and finally, identify the ideational meaning by using transitivity system. To analyze the data, I will listing the instruction text, then segmenting it into a single clause and labeling to reveal the transitivity system, then calculate the process types, participant functions, and the circumstance of elements. And these are the tables that will be used to process the data. And I think that's all that I can present. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.